pulling apart these rows, I'm left with these long lengths of row cover. So what we're going to do is braid them, but essentially what you want to do, and it's easier facing the other way, so we'll turn around in a second. You want to make a loop like this, just wrap it around, and then you grab a piece and you pull it through the loop, and that starts things off, and then you just keep going. So you've got your loop, grab, pull, put your hand through the loop, grab, pull that through the loop, and you keep going. This one I sort of half did, and then this end needs to be cut off it. It's really chewed up. So I've just I'll just come along and cut that there.